Well, you can see that it's not exactly a wonderful day, but it's not raining. But the wind is really blowing. It started yesterday afternoon, and this is a cold front that's coming through, and it's supposed to settle down a little bit, but not really go away until probably Monday or Tuesday. So I think I read this morning it said there was going to be 10 to 14 foot seas. I assume that's on the north side, not on this side. This side's not too bad, but imagine it's pretty wild over there. So I don't know, maybe I'll be able to get up to Glass Window Bridge, or at least get a view of what the water is like today. Okay, now we've moved into two different parts of the project. So I've got carpenters in one section framing, and then I've got masons on another place working on those buildings. So it's going to get more interesting. Boy, is it windy. Like really windy today. Just went by a place and the sand is just like blowing across the road. Gonna head home for a little bit. I just got the plumbing quote for another part of the project, so it's a little bit higher than I thought, but not bad. And then I've got to get something to eat because I need to have an early lunch today, because I've got a tile guy coming to give me a price on laying tile. So of course he has to know where he's laying the tile, what the tile is, etc., etc. So that's what is happening shortly, I guess. Yeah, he said he's not coming at 12. It's a little bit of a concern. He said, I'm coming, I'll see you at 12. And he's Bahamian as far as I know. So that 12 could actually turn into 1:30, maybe even 2. I'm home, did a little bit of paperwork, and we're still playing with the registration for the car. We tried to contact the Inland Revenue people in Nassau to see what the solution might be. We went back to the registry, the road traffic people, and said, okay, what else can we do? We're trying. The numbers you gave us, nobody answers their phones. And the lady gave us another number, which is a lady who could get us a copy of our historic paper. They won't take our historic paper, by the way, because it doesn't have the little seal on it. And she said, why don't you have it? And Sid said, well, we live on Cupid's Key. The hurricanes come through, it gets destroyed. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. So Sid went back with another property tax bill that's been paid, and now she's going to see if they'll somehow take that one and let us register the vehicles. Because we can't get the lady who says we can get the copy. So, I don't know, we're trying to register a car. It'd be easier to rob a bank, I think. Let's see. I'm behind some tourists. Nowhere to pass anyway. Headed home for a little bit, and I got the tile guy came. He's gonna give us a price on some tile work. We'll see how that comes out. Sid went back to the road traffic people and got another number to call, and the lady was like, so I don't know if she's gonna have any luck with this lady, or how it's gonna go, or what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna have to wait and see, I guess. But one of these times we'll get it fixed. We'll get the cars registered. I just hope I don't have to go back to New England to get the paperwork. Okay, I gotta run to Palmetto Point to pick up some bonding stuff, which goes on the cement walls so that when they put the new mortar on, it all sticks together well. And you generally use that when you've got a old smooth wall and you want the mortar to stick to it. So today I'm getting the blue one. The boys like the white one, but there's no white one around, so they're gonna get the blue one. Even with the rain, overall it was a pretty good week, and hopefully if next week could not rain, we'll get quite a bit done. And now we're on 2 different phases. I got masons in other buildings, other parts of the property, and then I've got carpenters doing something, and then if all goes well, we'll have even more guys that are working, doing various aspects of different parts of the project. Well, overall, good week, and I've got, of course, some more work to do tonight. I sometimes wonder what it would be like if you just got done work and then you were sort of like done work. You didn't have any more work to do after you got done working. Maybe someday.